All right, just got in the mail. Water hose, long water hose. It comes with some instructions because they show you that it has a bulb head that they can move left and right, any direction. I love that. That's a plus for me because look at this. Free movement, right? Free movement from the water hose. This attaches to the other side, of course. Now, when you're going to set this up, they gave you a couple of these washers. Make sure you put them in there so you get a good flow of it. This is how you turn it off and on. Different types of water that you could spray from. All right, one thumb, that's all you need to turn it off and on. So we're going to set this up, but look at this. This is my favorite thing, the movement. We're going to replace an old water hose that we had with this new one. So let's go ahead and do that in there. And right now we currently have one already, so we could always remove it. You can always remove it or replace it, and there's one already there, so we don't have to add any. All we got to do is screw it in. Because it's free movement, you got to hold it right. You might have to use a tool to tie it up. That's one end. So let's set this up and see how it looks. We just wrapped it up in here. You guys can see that. It's wrapped up really good. I'm gonna loosen it up. Make sure that the hose is not tangled. We're gonna water some stuff. We're gonna check out the sprays. Let's check out the sprays, all right? So you got your thumb here. Look at that. That's spraying down right now. We're currently in there. Different. Look at that one. Side angle so you guys can see it. Missed. Back to the original one. Turn it off. Turn it on. Like this one, the jet one. Movement. Look at that. Love that. I love the water hose that has that free movement with the bulb head.